Again, inverting amplifier is done. We are now dealing with a non-inverting amplifier. Similar to inverting amplifier, non-inverting amplifier's aim is to design a non-inverting amplifier for a given specification using op-amp 741. Apparatus as required, we can have function generator CRO, or we can deal with a DC input with V in, and we can have output V out. So now here the input signal V in is applied to the non-inverting input terminal of the op-amp. So the circuit amplifies the signal without inverting input signal. So it is also called as negative feedback system. So we can have this particular non-inverting input configuration where V0 is equal to ACL into Vi. So you know there is no negative sign because the input is connected to the non-inverting terminal. The output voltage is in phase with the input signal. Again, the precaution is that output voltage will be saturated if it exceeds plus minus 15 volt. In procedure, we have to do the connection according to the circuit diagram. Then the plus VCC and minus VCC that should be connected to the supply terminal. Output voltage will be measured at the output and the input is fed to the non-inverting terminal. The pin diagram is same, IC741. 1 and 5th number are optional, 8 number is no connection, 2 is inverting, 3 non-inverting, 4 minus VCC, 7 plus VCC. We are going to measure output at 6. Circuit diagram of non-inverting amplifier. So here, look at here, the VN is connected to the positive terminal of the battery, while the feedback resistor is connected to output to inverting terminal, and there is Rin that is connected to ground. So we know the theory behind it. We directly go to the formula, where the formula of the non-inverting amplifier's gain formula is ACL, closed loop gain, is equal to 1 plus RF upon R1. So if we have RF is equal to 10 and R1 is equal to 1, so what it will be, 10 divided by 1 becomes 10 plus 1, 11. So the closed loop gain of this particular experiment will be 11. So what is the meaning of this? If the input is 1, 1 multiplied by 11, the output will be 11, and so on. So as like we can see the observation where if the input voltage is 0.1, what will be the theoretical voltage? 11 multiplied by 1, it becomes 1.1. That's why I am giving here the readings in point. 0.2, it becomes 2.2. 0.3 becomes 3.3. 0.4 becomes 4.4. 0.5 becomes 4.5. If I give here 5 volt, what will happen? 11 multiplied by 5 becomes 55. So 55 is practically not possible. We can see it virtually only, but 55 practically is not possible with the operational amplifiers IC. So in this way, the testing and designing of the non-inverting amplifier can be done. So we'll see with the virtual lab how the non-inverting amplifier is. So I am stopping my presentation.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is non-inverting operational amplifier where how the connection should be. The input should be connected to pin number positive non-inverting terminal. This inverting terminal is connected to this resistor R1 to ground and feedback resistor RF. So what we need to design the gain of the operational amplifier. So there in the practical sheet we have designed the gain of 11 almost. Here it is not possible to give the input voltage in 0.1, 0.2 format. So we are going to give input voltage in minus 15 to plus 15 in the range of 1. Okay. So firstly, we'll check the connection that the connections are right. Set resistance R1 and RF and input voltage. So here resistance R1 is 1, resistance RF is 2. So can anybody tell me what is the uh, gain of this particular experiment? Can anybody tell me the gain of this particular experiment now? As RF is 2, R1 is 1. Anyone? The formula is 1 plus RF upon R1. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. 3.
3, yes. The gain will be 3. So if we take the input is equal to 1 volt. So what will happen if we add it to table? Let's look at here. Input voltage is 1. Because of the gain is 3, what we'll have? We'll have a 3 volt as output. So current is also given over there. If we take reading 2 volt, if we add it table, it becomes 6. If we take it to minus 2, it becomes minus 6. If we take minus 3, it becomes 3 into minus 3 becomes minus 9. So this is the non-inverting amplifier where the phase, look at here, 1 becomes 3 means positive becomes positive, minus becomes minus means there is input and output, they are in phase with each other. So this is the way the non-inverting